Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your BMW 7 Series key battery. First, find the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press it firmly and slide out the emergency key blade. This action exposes a small slot where the key blade was housed. This slot is crucial for accessing the battery compartment. Be gentle but firm when removing the blade to avoid damage. Now you're ready for the next step. Now take the emergency key blade you just removed. Insert its tip into the small slot you revealed. Use the key blade as a lever to gently pry open the key fob casing. You should feel a slight resistance, then the two halves of the fob will separate. Be careful not to force it as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you'll see the battery. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. It's typically a CR2032 coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper function. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob carefully. Press them together until they click securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear it click, indicating it's fully seated. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your refreshed key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.